Keema aloo is a joyful combination of mince, either lamb or beef, with potatoes, onions and tomatoes. It's lush when eaten with Indian breads or rice and can often be found as a popular street food in northern India and Pakistan. The beauty of spiced mince and potato recipes is they cook quickly, they're filling and they're very cheap. Besides, there are endless combinations of veg you can add. Any leftovers freeze well and go great for the filling of a samosa or a pastry. Here's the ingredients list. I'll put a copy of these down in the comments below so you can copy. Let's get our prep work done first. So finely chop the onion. And next the tomato. Keep as much of the juice as you can, it's all flavour. And slice the chilies into 2 lengthways. This curry has a gentle warmth to it, so it's not too hot. Now the prep's done, heat a karai or pan and add the oil. When it heats up, add the cumin seeds and stir for a few seconds until they roast. Then follow with the onions. Fry these on a medium heat for 3 or 4 minutes until they're translucent. Now add the ginger garlic paste and saute for a couple of minutes until the raw smell goes away. And now the powdered spices and the salt. Fry these for a minute just to develop and bloom the spices. The aroma is so delicious now as everything mingles. And it's tomato time, baby. Add them and the chilies. Carry on sautéing for about 10 minutes on medium heat. You'll need to stir it every couple of minutes, and if it starts to get dry, add a few tablespoons of water and re-stir. You'll need to do this 2 or 3 times until you've got a smooth, mushy and blended sauce. Now we can add the mince and sauté on medium heat for 5 minutes or so. Then add 1 cup of water, lower the heat, cover and simmer for 15 minutes. You may even want to get a lid that fits the pot you're using. Give it a good stir every now and again. While the mince is cooking, peel the potato and cut into small cubes, or in my case, cube-ish shapes. Add these to the pan, cook for another 12 or 13 minutes until the potatoes are just cooked but not mushy. After that, we can add the peas, just for 3 minutes or so to cook through. And voila, we're done. Garnish with coriander if you fancy, but I guarantee you won't be able to stop eating this curry. And if there are any leftovers, they go great hot or cold on bread or a tortilla for lunch. And it's a perfect filling for a samosa. If you like this, why not try another recipe? Here's one. And why not subscribe? Otherwise I'll send Mando around with a baseball bat. Until next time, bye!